Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lisa from the Children's Department at the Uniondale Public Library. Today we're going to do our Take and Make Junior craft, and it's a paper plate snowman. Now, when you come to pick up your craft kit at the library, you'll get a white bag like this, and inside there'll be 2 paper plates, a big white one like this, a small one like this, and a plastic bag. And inside, I'll show you what it has inside. It has some dot stickers. It has some ribbon. See? It has a yellow nose. It has 2 brown arms that we're going to use for the snowman. And 2 googly eyes. Okay? So first what we're going to do, and what you're going to need is a stapler and some glue, or if you have tape, that's fine too. The first thing that we're going to do, you're going to take your paper plate like this, but turn it around so that the back is what we're going to be using. And I want you to take your small paper plate and turn it around like this so the color is facing the other way. This is going to be our head, and this is going to be the body. The bigger plate's going to be the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach the small paper plate to the body like this, okay? And we're going to take our stapler and we're going to staple like this. We're going to staple the small piece over here, the small plate to the bottom plate like that. And then we're going to do it over here, whoops, with the other side. So I'm going to do it again. Okay, see? Now we have the head and the body. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the googly eyes on him. So take your googly eyes like this. Now you can use a glue stick, you can use Elmer's glue, or you could even use tape if you wanted to. I'm going to use glue. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back of my googly eyes. Okay. And I'm going to put them on. I'm going to put them on the small plate where the head is. Okay. See? So my eyes are on the head. Now, let's count to 10. If you're using glue, let's count to 10 so to let it dry a little bit, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think that's good. The next thing I want you to do is take your nose. It's a yellow nose. So take your nose and do the same thing. Put a little bit of glue, or you can use tape and put it on the back of the nose because we're going to put it on the face. Okay, so here's my nose, and I'm going to put it on the face like this. Okay, so there's my nose. Now the third thing we're going to do is I want you to take you should have a sheet of colored dots. Now this, you can do pretty much what you want. I'm going to use one of the colors. I think I'm going to use the blue dots, and I'm going to make a U shape on the small plate to make a smile. Now the thing, you can use all different colors to make your smile. You can use the same color. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use my blue dots, and I'm gonna just put a smile on my snowman. So I'm just gonna do that right now. See? And I have my smile on the snowman. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the 2 brown pieces of construction paper and you're gonna glue them on either side of the body of the bigger plate, and you're gonna use those as arms. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna take my glue. Okay, see, it's very simple. Those are the arms for the plate. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is use our stickers again, our colored stickers, and you're gonna put a line of dots down the body of the snowman, because usually on a snowman we put spots on him when we make a snowman in the snow. So I'm gonna take some colors. I think I'm gonna use all red, but you can mix up your colors if you want. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, there he is. We only have one more thing we have to do. And that's, we're gonna put a little scarf around him, around his neck, okay? So I want you to take your ribbon, okay? And I want you to unfold it like this. And what you're going to do is you're gonna take the ribbon and tie it around his neck like this. And you're just gonna make 2 knots. I'm gonna show you. Actually, I think we're just gonna make one knot. And there's the snowman's scarf. So, what do you think? I think he's ready to go outside and play. This is our paper plate snowman. It's a very easy craft, and I hope you go to, please take a picture of your snowman and send it to children'sinfo@uniondalelibrary.org. So we can make an art gallery, a virtual art gallery of all your paper plate snowmen. Okay? So this is Miss Lisa. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.